Hello, this is Keith here with Turnus Talks Tech. Today we're going to be doing Introduction to Bixby Development, Part 1. And the topics we're going to cover in this video is what Bixby is, how Bixby works, what a Bixby capsule is, and what is in a Bixby capsule. What is Bixby? Bixby is a virtual personal assistant which grows in knowledge about the users as it interacts with them. Bixby was created by Samsung and can be used on the latest phones. Bixby has a development environment already available. It programs itself to accomplish the user's tasks. All that is required is for the developer to provide models, resources, and basic code. What is a capsule? A capsule is a portion of awesomeness. A capsule is a self-contained ability that you can give Bixby with only a little bit of coding, a little bit of JavaScript, and a little bit of resources and a little bit of concepts. And of course, it rocks because it's Samsung. Oh. So how does Bixby work? Well, what happens is the user talks to Bixby in ordinary language. Now there's a resource called a training, and training is how Bixby learns to understand language. From this language, Bixby determines the user intent. So it's smart. And based on this intent, Bixby programs itself to accomplish the goal that the user intended. It accomplishes this task by using the program that it created for itself. And the best part is Bixby learns from this interaction, so the next time the user experience will be even more productive and pleasant. And now we're going to talk about capsules. Like I said, a capsule is basically a self-contained unit of total awesomeness. It's basically a type of a container of functionality. And it's going to be a marketplace, and you're going to be able to create your capsules and put them on the market. And Bixby makes it really simple to do that. So what holds everything together, all you have to do is basic coding to hold the various components together. So there's codes, there's models, and there's resources. Now the code is JavaScript. Now the models are actions and concepts. An action is something that Bixby does, and a concept is a type of knowledge that Bixby has. And the resources you have are trainings. Trainings is how you teach Bixby to understand human language. Dialogues is a way to communicate with the user. A view is a part of that communication. And an endpoint is a connection to your JavaScript. So what you do is you create actions, concepts, and resources, and you connect them all together with a little bit of JavaScript, and then Bixby does all the hard coding itself. So you can focus on what you want Bixby to do. And what are we going to do up next time? Well, next time we're going to go over installing Bixby Developer Studio and running the roll dice example given in Bixby Developer Studio. So you're actually going to be able to see it done in real time. And I just want to thank everybody for showing up and listening, and please subscribe, and there'll be more fun coming up next week. Have a good week.